Hey y'all, so I'm back with another YouTube video, and this video I will be doing a wig install. Yeah, as y'all can see, I already got my cap on. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing. I got this wig off of Amazon. Everything about the details of this wig will be down in the description down below, so that y'all can get your hands on this wig, because this wig right here was so cute on me. So I'm gonna be going in with my Ghost Bond, and I'm putting that around my hairline. Like I said, I don't do the ball cut method because I just don't like it. My preference, everybody is different, but I just don't like it. And I'm going to be using 2 coats of this Ghost Bond glue, and then drying it with the blow dryer on a hot setting. You want to make sure that you really dry this wig. You want it to make sure that the glue is clear before you lay it down. So as you can see right here, I am laying this wig down. I'm going for a middle part. At first I did the baby hair thing, and I just didn't like the baby hair. This lace is a transparent lace, that's why it's so white and cast. You really want like a HD lace, so that it can melt in your skin better. I did bleach the knots, but since I'm still learning how to install my wigs, I'm still learning how to bleach my knots. Yeah. But as you can see right here, I'm taking my got to be glue spray and spraying that around the edges. Spraying around the wig so that it can melt. And I'm gonna be going in with my my melt belt and tying it tightly so everything can melt in together. Okay, you want to make sure that you tie this thing tight, okay, so it can melt into your scalp. All right, because you want it like it's coming out your scalp, the best you can. So I let this sit on for 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. You're gonna let this sit and stay on your head. So yeah, right here I'm just taking that lace band off, and voila. Okay, you still see that white cast, right? I don't like that. So I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses, and boom, there go the finished look, y'all. I did it off camera because it was kind of giving me a little hard time, but as you can see, I got it right. Okay, I got it right. And I did my makeup and stuff off camera. If y'all like a up-to-date makeup routine, everyday makeup routine, please let me know down in the description down below so I can do that. And then I'm going to bump the ends. I don't know, I like it. I like when I bump the ends. It's cute. I like that. So yeah, like I said, this hair was really soft. I love the color. I love how it came out. Definitely one of my favorite wigs. Y'all have to go get it because it is so cute. I still have it in my head right now, and it's just, I just love it. I love it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here, just flat ironing. I didn't want to curl it. I just wanted to get like a nice natural bust down middle part as the best I can, and I think I did pretty good. What y'all think? I think I did good. And yeah, y'all, so make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and everything. Yep, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, because this is cute. Okay. But yeah, make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all finish the rest of this video, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.
Don't play with a but don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, it's no phone, I'm just sitting. Wrong. On playing games and his loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes in the thing. So fly, baby, no propane. Not good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.